Patrick from the band Seaholm from Ann Arbor, Michigan, here at the Murray Attic in Wisconsin, and I'm here to play a song that I wrote called Cough Syrup. Yeah.
Take shots of cough syrup, 'cause I lost my voice from screaming about you, and I'm out of the party. All we have is wine, down another bottle, and I'll feel fine. Woo! Please tell me what's going on. 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 And I shut the